We are requesting for our chairman of Bukati to come and release for us the result of presidential election 2022.
Yes, I'm ready to announce the result of the presidential of this candidate of 2022. And if we consider, let me give the result. And what I know, this is the last day of me. This is my last day to announce this result. First of all, in Form 34A, we have Professor Wajakoya mwenyewe, Wajakoya original mwenyewe. And Wajakoya was the first person with the people who like taking that. The second, we have President original was the second by around 500 people, with around 500 people with guns and then number one we have Raila kama walikuwa I was declared and I was announced very well, like Raila was the president of Kenya 2022. But the last result is announced not real, it is rejected, and people of Kenya be serious. Lastly, we have Pastor Mwaure. Pastor Mwaure get around 36 votes. 36 votes for Mwaure. So the leader, we have Wajakoya. The reason why we have Wajakoya as the leader is this one. Wajakoya talk about man. Yani ni hivi, Wajakoya akiingia president, kila mtu atapay
pay off the Chinese, take that railway, kale kachuma kutoka Mombasa mpaka Naivasha. Tuweke kwa meli, tuweke magunia 500 ya bangi kwa hiyo meli, tuambie mchaina ingia hapa, rudi kwenu, because they are really doing something very bad. Why? Come in US, you cannot be allowed in to go and work without labor certification through the immigration.
That is why Wajakoya was the leader. In this Kenya, we have so many leaders, but Wajakoya was the highest. We have around 730.
Meli, tuweke magunia 500 ya bangi kwa hiyo meli, tuambie mchaina ingia hapa, rudi kwenu, because they are